This Diwali, we bring to you the perfect mode to celebrate the festivities with your employees virtually. Introducing the Multiverse of Ramayana. In this storyline, you are Ram in a parallel universe. You are on a quest to rescue your beloved wife Sita from the clutches of Ravan. In this multiverse, you reach the island country to rescue Sita. However, when you arrive in the island country, you are imprisoned by the inhabitants there. In this adventure, you need to first escape the prison, meet Lakshman and Hanuman to help you in rescuing Sita from the clutches of evil Ravan. Can you be successful in this Ramayan themed adventure to save Sita from the clutches of Ravan?
During the game, you have to interact with different objects, decipher codes, solve clues to find the ultimate 4-digit escape code. You will be given a link and a login ID. You have to click on the link and you will arrive at the login page. Put in your login ID to enter the game. After logging in, you should arrive at the welcome page. It is very important for you to read all the 4 instruction slides on the welcome page. It will help you understand how to play the game. When you arrive at the how to play slide, this slide talks about the 2 actions that you will have to carry during the game. First, during the game you will come across different objects. Every object will have a number and a description associated to it. As an action, you can interact with 2 or more objects. For example, if you come across a non-functional torch and a set of batteries, if you want to interact these 2 objects, that is, put the battery in the torch, you need to add their respective numbers and enter the total in the enter number box. If your interaction and the input number is correct, you will see the result of your interaction. For instance, the torch lights up in this example. Second action is, during the game you will come across a lot of electronic devices, objects, locked doors, etc. If the description of the object says you need to find a 4-digit code to unlock an object, and if you can figure the 4-digit code out, simply punch in the correct 4-digit code in the enter number box. If the code is correct, the object will automatically unlock itself. In the game, if you want to examine any picture closely, simply click on the picture and the picture will zoom in. Once you've examined, click anywhere outside the picture and the picture will zoom out itself. Once you have gone through all the rules and if you're ready to play, press the play now button. As soon as you press on play now, you will be redirected to the room and the timer starts ticking. Look at the picture carefully and all the relevant objects are denoted by a number and a description below the picture. First, go through all the description carefully and then begin your process to find that ultimate 4-digit code. Remember, you have those 2 actions that you need to keep on doing. Either you can interact with different objects or punch in a 4-digit code to unlock a certain object. Remember, time is crucial here. Every negative answer you put in will add 30 seconds to your score. In case if you are stuck on a clue and can't go ahead, you can tap on the hint tab on the right side of the screen. This will help you to find a solution to your clue. Remember, it adds a huge 10 minutes to your timer. So choose wisely. Hope you have a thrilling experience. Enjoy.